Initially, this car was conceived by Land Rover as the most luxurious of the sport models. And I must admit they did it. It contained the most advanced and latest that was available at the time of the release of this line, but in June 2023, Land Rover went even further and rolled out an update to this luxury line to the world in the form of the new Range Rover Sport SV Edition 1. About him today we will talk. In the meantime, make yourself comfortable and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and we begin. So, under the hood of the new SV Edition 1, a powerful V8 with a mild hybrid of 4 and 4 liters with a capacity of 635 horses and 800 Nm of torque is installed, which allows it to reach the first 100 in 3 and 9 seconds, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. In general, everything in this device is charged for the fact that the owner would experience the pleasure of driving it. So the engineers provided an active 2-stage exhaust system so that not only the power but also the sound of the engine would please the owner of this gun. In order for the suspension to keep up with this bestial power, the creators used the hitherto unknown 6D dynamic system that controls the roll stiffness and clearance of the car, so when you select the SV mode, the suspension automatically lowers the clearance by 15 mm and changes the stiffness of the suspension. By the way, thanks to the use of this technology, the engineers were able to completely abandon the lateral stability stabilizer, since the system is able to control all the parameters of finding this gun in space. For effective braking of this device, the developers used carbon ceramic brake discs with a diameter of 440 mm with 8-piston calipers in front and 6-piston rear. Well, as a cherry on the cake, exclusively for SV Edition 1, 23-inch carbon rims have been developed for the first time, which are as much as 40% lighter than their aluminum counterparts. Outside, the new SV Edition 1 looks very dynamic even in static mode. For this the designers changed the shape of the front and rear bumpers, giving them a more aggressive look, and also actively used carbon fiber, and I must admit that the new Sport looks like a cannon. Inside the new Range Rover, everything speaks of luxury and wealth. Looking at only one automatic gear selector lever made of ceramics, you understand that the developers sought to provide you with aesthetics and comfort. The front seats of the SV body and sole feature 2 tactile amplifiers and 4 built-in transducers for total immersion from the 29 Meridian signature speakers. And the steering wheel is now equipped with a separate SV button. When pressed, the vehicle settings for the combat mode are instantly changed and the entire interior is flooded with red ambient lighting, including translucent paddles. In general, the updated SV Edition 1 both outside and inside looks expensive and rich. Write what you think about the new Range Rover Sport SV Edition 1 and don't forget to subscribe to our channel because it will only get more interesting. And that's all for today, see you soon, bye.